What if your medical device could evolve as fast as your ideas? No more waiting on hardware revisions, regulatory delays, or costly redesigns. With LTTS's software-defined architecture, medical devices development and maintenance become more agile and adaptable. By decoupling hardware from software, SDA empowers medical devices to iterate faster, update seamlessly, and rapidly evolve toward advanced functionalities without altering physical components. This shift puts flexibility, scalability, and efficiency at the center of medical innovation. With SDA, device makers can swiftly respond to changing clinical needs, reduce time, effort, and cost associated with hardware rework, simplify feature upgrades to enable rapid innovation and differentiation through AI, image processing, and algorithm integration. Let's take endoscopy as an example. Traditionally dependent on expensive proprietary hardware, endoscopic systems have been difficult to upgrade or customize. But with software-defined endoscopy, a specialized application of SDA, LTTS is transforming how endoscopic procedures are delivered. SDE moves core imaging functions to software, running on standardized compute platforms powered by NVIDIA Holoscan and IGX Orin, enabling seamless integration with existing devices while adding real-time image processing and AI capabilities to support clinical decision-making. SDE addresses this with an advanced imaging pipeline, contrast enhancement for clearer details, selective denoising on the blue channel, texture sharpening via the green channel, color correction for vivid, accurate visualization. Each enhanced frame is processed by the deep learning AI model, which detects polyps in real time and draws precise bounding boxes to guide physicians, all at 60 FPS, with detection times under 15 milliseconds. The result? Earlier detection, fewer errors, and better patient outcomes. And this is just one use case. SDA brings similar intelligence to medical devices across specialties. Software-defined architecture is more than a technology shift. It's the foundation for agile, intelligent, and future-ready healthcare.